Welcome to Yvette Kitchen. Today I'm going to make you a very delicious rum and raisin rum cream. Okay? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pour my evaporated milk. Then my condensed milk. Some coffee. Some cinnamon, a little a little nutmeg, and some vanilla. Then we have our raisins. Next, we have our white rum. So what we're going to do now, we're going to blend these all together. So you can have it chilled or over ice. So this is my delicious rum and raisin rum cream. And as I said, you can have it chilled or over ice. So I'm gonna have a taste. This is delicious. Okay? So go to my YouTube channel, Yvette Kitchen, live, love, laugh, and enjoy here.